taking more than 8 minutes. All right, but as I said, that's all because I have to speak to my audience. I have to tell them exactly what Chef Ricardo been doing. All right. Now the thing is, I wanna say to you guys that I'm gonna simply jump straight into the bag wagon. All right. Yeah. Now the thing what I wanna say to you, the 8 minutes video clipping not gonna work, guys. All right. We have to find something different because it's gonna be taking a little bit of time. All right. Yeah. 8 minutes, not what I clipping, not gonna work. All right. So, but anyway, we're gonna start the show. So right here we got a medium size empty pot, and we're gonna put some water into the pot like this. All right. So roughly about 1.5 cups of water. That 1.5 more cups of water. All right. Then cooker on. All right. We're gonna take some time. All right. Now, the beautiful thing is, the whole thing what I wanna share with you with this now, guys, is that you need to have a fat chunk of piece of a ginger like this. All right. Then what you wanna do, you want to remove the skin from the ginger. All right. You can use a peeler and peel the ginger. All right. We want to remove the skin. All right. Now, once you remove the skin from the ginger, you're gonna see exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. I'm gonna show you what's going on. I will show you that lovely piece of a ginger which I've been using. So, all right. Now, here it is. This is a nice, lovely piece of a ginger. This is like a tablespoon of a ginger when it grater. So this is the amount of ginger right now you needed. Alright guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna grate this piece of a ginger now. I make you can see exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about. Now, what I like to do, alright, I like to use this side of the grater to grate the ginger. Alright, you can use this side or you can use this side, but I'm gonna use this side. Now, when you grate your ginger, you know this little piece, you don't want to cut up a finger, put that straight in the pot. Now, I'm going to get, see there, 1 large tablespoon of ginger. Alright. Yeah, man. That looking good. Yeah, that looking good, guys. Alright. you can see, that looking really fantastic and amazing right there, as you can see it. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is get myself some garlic. All right. Let's open up the camera so you guys can see exactly what I'm going. All right. Yeah. Now we got some garlic. We're going to put inside of it. All right. You know, after Father's Day, you need to detox your body and, you know what I mean, get back yourself on track. You eat a whole lot of food on Father's Day. So yeah. After Father's Day, you have to detox your body, guys, 100%. Alright, see that? These are the garlic. We're going to put in it and make it boil with it. Alright, we need rough about 4 cloves of garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just want to squeeze them. Alright, so once you crush them, put them in here. You can grate it or you can press them out. And the best way to do it is this way. You just crush them like this, put them straight into it. So roughly we have about 3 cups of water in the pot. Secondly, what I want to simply say to you guys, this drink, you have to make it boil the best way. What I want to say to you now, alright, we got some cloves. If you don't have the cloves, you don't need to put it in it, but the cloves is very good for it. Alright, so we're not gonna put a lot. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3 and 2, 5 cloves inside of it. Alright, beautiful. Cover it and give it a few minutes for it to boil. Alright, lovely. So, as you can see, all that look right so far at the moment, that looking really delicious. Alright, you just need it for it to boil. Alright. Yeah. We just need it to boil. Smell that scent. Smell the garlic and the ginger. Boil it together. So you want to boil it like this. You get more strength from it, guys. Alright. Smell that beautiful scent coming up from it. That is fantastic. And that's exactly what you need. You see, after Father's Day, you want to eat this whole heap of chicken and beef and lamb and pork and all them stuff there. You need this right now to cleanse out your body. Alright. This is what you need right now. All right, now guys, we have 110 people watching the video. I know 31 person liking the video. Come on, share some love, man. Share some love. Share some love, guys. Share some love. Yeah. You can't just have 32 people liking the video. This recipe is one of those kind of recipe where you definitely want to make at home. All right. Now, what we're going to do. All right, we're going to bring the camera over the table, make you guys can see. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off the stove now. Let's turn off the cooker. All right, that's it. That little bit of temperature is just keep boiling it. The garlic and the ginger is perfect for you. All right, now. As you can see, exactly. All right, now let's go over this now, guys. All right, that's where we want to go, right over there. All right, yeah. So hopefully you guys can see exactly what I want. God, this is like after Father's Day, you need this. You might have said Chef Ricardo, you're talking rubbish, but trust me, one of chicken and beef and thing, just like when you wash your plate in your sink and your sink get blocked up, you know what I mean, you have to get gen cleaner to clean it. It's the same thing with your body. There's a lot of stuff inside your body need to just remove. All right, so what you're going to do now is this: detox your body with some natural ingredients before you go to your bed at night. All right, beautiful one. Now it's finished boil, and what we're going to do, all right, now before we go any further, we've been doing this one over the last couple of nights now. This one is a lover in a dream. This is from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. If you do not have it, you need to get this one, because we've been doing this over the last few days, and I'm going to show you how to do this one. So basically, all the information is in the description box. You want to just get a teaspoon of it, put into your glass, just a little bit more. That's the lover in a dream, and this is from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice. All right, this one I will show you another video on that one. All right, and what you want to do, pour some hot water. That's why I was boiling my kettle, to show you this one, guys. Beautiful. So this one is for you to, if you're at home relaxing, and you know what I mean, you just relax and I take it easy. This one is for you to drink. It's just amazing. All right, look at that. Look at the color. All right. Just gonna put this over it to hold it down for a few minutes. Beautiful. Now, this is the bad boy right here. This one. All right. We're just going to strain it right now. All right. Yeah. That's proper hot, man. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh yeah. Ah. Nice one. Nice one, Chef Ricardo. Now, here it is. You might have wondered why I make so much. Alright? The reason why I make so much of this drink tonight. Okay? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drink a cup from it now. Alright, guys? I'll probably drink a 2 cup from it. But a 1 cup is very good for you. Okay? The rest of this, what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna leave it over outside. Do not put it in your fridge. In the morning, You know what I mean? If you're working 9 to 5, you just pour a little bit in your cup or back on the stove, warm it up and drink it. Alright? So this is what's gonna happen right now. I'm gonna fill up my cup. I'm just gonna simply show you exactly how it look in the glass right here. Alright? That's why now I'm gonna do it. So yeah, let's pour it out. Alright? Yeah. That's the one which I'm gonna be drinking. Beautiful. So you want to drink a nice cup. What you want to do? Just a little bit too much in this one. Proper detox tea, this guys. What you want to do now? You just want to put a few cloves in it. Alright? Yeah. But so I don't want to have too much in it too. So you don't want to have too much in it. So I'll just pour back a little bit in this one. It's beautiful. Alright, yeah. Alright. Secondly, so if you're at home and you feel like you don't have certain kind of ingredients to work with, this is another way you can detox your body also, guys. Alright. You don't need money to detox your body. You can ask your neighbor for a lemon or a piece of a ginger, anything, and detox your body. All right. Now this one is another one which I want to share with you. Very important. All right. If you're at home and you only have a lemon or a lime, you can use it. All right. A lemon or a lime. So put a few slices of lemon into the glass. I'm just showing you in the glass because it's more easy for you. And then squeeze a teaspoon of lime juice, alright? Lemon juice. Nice one. And then you can just get a few cloves. This is very important. Put it inside of it like this. And this is a proper detoxing tea right here. You can drink this in the morning. In the morning, you iron your shirt or your pants and then get yourself together. You can do this, make it go and dissolve into the lemon water, into the water in the meantime. Alright? This one right here. Beautiful for you to drink before you go to bed at night or before you go to work in the morning. Detox your body. Very, very good. Alright, guys. Now, I'm just going to be drinking my one right here. But if you don't have lemon, you can use lime. Alright? Because lime is very good also. Guys, we got 120 people watching the video. Please, guys, share some love. Let's get the like to 100. Shout out to every one of you guys who are watching. Alright? So, it's a beautiful one. As you can see it for yourself. Alright? Yeah. Fantastic and an amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Beautiful, and I know you guys definitely will appreciate this video right here. Alright, lovely and nice. Alright, as you can see it for yourself. One of a kind from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Now, as I say, if you're at home and you feel like you want to try something different, then that's another recipe for you guys. Alright, where you can do at home. Alright, beautiful, lovely, and also delicious. Yeah. So right now what I'm gonna do is drink my one right here. Can taste the ginger in it. The ginger, it is just like amazing. That is lovely and nice. Alright, guys. So as I said, this is it right here. This one right here, as you can see, is the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice. It's on the website. If you want to get it, you can get this one from them. Alright? Trust me. This one right here is also on the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. You can also get this one. All right. So I brought them off the Caribbean Fusion and site website. That's where I brought them a few days ago. I brought those two, and they are amazing. All right. Now, this is how the tea stay right here. They drink. So what you want to do, you just want to strain this. So you got sorrel inside of it. Come on, guys. We got 120 people watching the video. Let's get the like to 100. All right. Yeah. Beautiful one. Let's get the like to 100. Ah, that is lovely and amazing. All right. Now, as you can see exactly what's going on right there. JC, thank you so much. Michelle C, thank you so much. Matt, big up yourself, man. Thank you so much, guys, for coming on the show. Really appreciate it. Alright, so as you can see, this one is just really an amazing drink to drink in the morning. Alright, now I'm gonna say something to you guys because I want to share this recipe with you, but there's another time I'm gonna have to share that recipe with you. Alright, you see the same cloves right here, this little seed. Alright, is one of the best ever seed to use to drink water with. Alright, but to be honest with you, I have to do that video on another time. Alright, yeah, beautiful one, guys, for you to have at home. Alright, you see like this one right here, the hot water with the lemon. You can make it cool down and you can drink it as water. Very, very delicious to drink that one. All right, yeah. Natural Jamaican vegan, Jamaican vegan. You big up yourself. Thank you so much. Joseph, big up yourself. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Really appreciate it. As you can see, guys, beautiful one. I'm just drinking this right now. Come on, guys, give the like to 100. Let's get the like to 100. This is lovely and amazing. All right, and this is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about right here. All right, beautiful one. So you know, after Father's Day, you need to drink this. All right, yeah, man. After Father's Day, you need this drink. Trust me. Beautiful. Here it is. Alright. Garlic, ginger, and cloves. This is fantastic and amazing. This recipe right here is a recipe where you definitely want to try at home. Something totally different. Alright. Trust me, guys, it is amazing, fantastic, lovely, and also delicious. This one right here. Also, we got this one, but this drink right here, guys, is just a drink for relaxing. This is a relaxing sensation. You know what I mean? Relaxing your mind, your brain, and your soul. All right. So, yeah, beautiful drink for you to have at home. All right. Not only that. You know what I mean? As I say, it's a beautiful drink, but yeah, very, very nice drink, guys. 100%. All right, yeah. Now, this is another drink I wanna always show you guys this kind of drink, you know. But you know, I don't know if any one of you guys ever make it before. Alright, but as I said, this is a very nice drink for you to have at home. Alright, now this one, what I'm gonna share with you, alright, is one of Chef Ricardo's secret recipe right there. Alright, because I like to share new ideas with you guys. Alright, And trust me, the new ideas them they do work at home. All right, it's a beautiful ideas, and you guys definitely will love it. All right. Yeah, the whole thing behind it now. The most important thing we have to do is this: is boil a kettle. All right. So I'm gonna give you a recipe. So first thing what you need to do is boil a kettle. This is a secret recipe for you guys to try at home. So the first thing what you wanna do, get your kettle boiled. Alright guys, now listen up. Yeah, I know I kinda, yeah, I'm gonna show you this one now. Alright, secret recipe. Alright, this is some blueberry. Alright, this is some blueberry, and you guys gonna love this new brand recipe from Chef Ricardo. Alright, now what you wanna do, this is just like a drink. If you're at home or you're chilling, you can make it. Alright? Yeah. As I said, it's a drink which you don't have to. It's just, if you want to make it, you can make it. Alright? You do not need to make this drink. But it's fantastic and an amazing. 100%. Alright? Now, we got some blueberry right here. So what we're gonna do is crush the blueberry them. Alright, blueberry is easy to crush. Just squeeze up some of them for now. Alright. This is my blueberry which I have. I'm just gonna simply show you because I have some left over. Alright, what you wanna do, you just wanna crush the blueberry. Alright, here it is. Once I crush up the blueberry, alright, get some lemon or lime and squeeze it in it like this. Roughly about half of a lime. Beautiful one. I get some Jamaican sorrel. If you have any, if you don't have any, you don't have to use it. This is some sorrel. Let's put it straight inside of it. Alright. Yeah. And if you got some ginger at home, you can use it. Fresh ginger. All right, if you have some fresh ginger, let's put a little bit in it, not much. And then what you want to do, you want to pour some hot water in it. All right. So you got the blueberry and some lemon and some sorrel. All right. Two things, you can either leave it into the water overnight and cool it off in the morning, but I'm just gonna simply show you exactly what you need to do to make this at home. All right, fresh and relaxing drink. All right, look at that. That is lovely and nice. All right, guys. So as I say, it's two things you can do. You could either leave it overnight on your counter, or you can leave it during the day and make it cool, and then you can drink it after. An amazing drink. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to strain this right now just to make you guys see. All right. Beautiful. I'm just straining it off right now, guys. All right. Beautiful drink. All right, here it is. Now, this one, if you drink it right now, you can taste the flavor and the texture from it. It is fantastic and an amazing. All right, and all you have to do is strain it just like this. Here's a little bit, kind of simple. You know what I mean? Just squeeze it out like this and get the flavor from the blueberry and the sorrel. Lovely drink. As you can see it for yourself. Alright, but I just want to say thank every one of you guys who watch this right here. But as I said, it's beautiful, fantastic, lovely and delicious. But I'm definitely going to do the video on it one day to show you guys exactly what Chef Ricardo be talking about. Alright, because for me to explain it, a lot of people not gonna understand it, so I need to do a separate video on this drink right here. Alright, so look forward for this drink, the blueberry and sorrel. Alright, trust me guys, it's wicked. And not only that, the sorrel come in with that lovely flavor with the blueberry and the ginger and some lime juice. But the best time to drink this is when it's cool. Do not drink it when it's hot. Alright, that's the best time to drink it. Alright, it's a beautiful drink. 100% you guys will love it. Because I did this one before. I did it on my YouTube channel. I think I got this video on my YouTube channel right now, guys. Because I did it the other day, a couple of weeks ago, when I was showing you how to cool on it and drink and make it. And the flavor is amazing. Yeah, but after Father's Day, you need this to drink. Alright? Yeah. Beautiful drink from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright? Fantastic and an amazing. As you can see it for yourself. Lovely and also delicious. Alright, guys? Yeah. So please enjoy it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We've got a lot more recipes and a lot more video will be coming from Chef Ricardo. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All right, yeah, beautiful, fantastic, and an amazing one. As you can see for yourself, that was a amazing one, guys. 100%. Guys, it's so amazing. All right, and I will say, guys, we got so much more recipe will be coming, but yeah, please keep watching, guys. A lot more recipe will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. All right, we got some more beautiful and fantastic and an amazing recipe will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. As you can see, that is just something different when you want to drink before you go to your bed at night. Hopefully you guys will like it, but as I say, we got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe will be coming. And as I said, yeah, it's just something new for you guys if you want to try something at home. All right, every night we have the bedtime tea. All right, guys, if you want to join Chef Ricardo bedtime tea, you know, anytime after 12 or after 11, you know, it's bedtime tea. Ah, that is lovely. Yeah, man. See it there, guys. This is lovely. You want to make it cool down and you drink it during the day. Beautiful drink. Ah, wow. That is fantastic. Fantastic and an amazing, guys. 100%. All right. Trust me.